friend was walking with her baby and found Chibi lying on the floor, and the parents were not around.
Hearing that the baby bird needs someone's help was just something that we couldn't refuse. We had no idea how to do it, what to do, what not to do. You just try to feed her, try to provide her with warmth. When we got her, she was eating almost by an hour.
First time we went out with her, we said, okay, now we better say goodbye and just keep the nice memories of baby bird.
When a wild bird comes back to you, does not want to leave, and decides to be your friend forever, it's hard to explain the bond that arises between you and the bird. Inside the apartment, she's free all the time. We did build her a cage, but the cage is huge. It takes up half of the living room and it's always open, and Chibi is always free to go in and out as she pleases. She could be riding on your shoulder, and then all of a sudden, bam, she flies up into a tree. What we learned is when we lose her, just check other people.